What's Daddy doing?
Whoa.
Lucy, do you want to help? Pick up your shovel. There's a blue shovel there. Pick up your shovel. Help Daddy. Lucy, here. Oh no, it's the green. Here. There you go. Can you help Daddy? Oh, good girl. Good girl. Can you do it again? Oh, we're all done.
Thunder.